In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Android Auto keeps disconnecting. So if your Android Auto keeps disconnecting, there might be various reasons behind it. Make sure to use the original or high quality cable. After you replace your USB cable, your problem should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try turning off the battery saver. Scroll down from the top of your screen. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. You'll also be able to find this option for battery saver. Make sure to turn it off. Now after you do that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try restarting your device. Long press on the power button. Now tap on the option restart and your phone will be restarted. Now connect again and your problem should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, simply try restarting your car's infotainment system. Turn the car off, open the door and wait a minute. After you do that, your problem should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try clearing the Android Auto cache or data. For that, open the settings on your device. You can see over here settings has been opened. Tap on the apps option that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Tap on this option, see all apps. Now you'll be able to see all the applications over here. Tap on this option, Android Auto. Now once you do that, tap on this option, storage and cache. Now over here you'll be able to find two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on this option, clear cache, that you can see on the screen. Now once the cache has been cleared, your problem should be fixed. So these are basically the fixes to your problem. So that is how you fix Android Auto keeps disconnecting. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.